guys, nako'y package na dawat for today's video. Asa na po nigikan? Nabudol na po ko atong abrihan. Nana po'y nagpailag. Nakuhaan na ang add to cart. Sige, add to sa cart. Oh my gosh, finally, napalit ra gyud ang uban. Grabe siya, Hala! This is the exciting part. Charot. Tanawan ninyo ni, ha? Okay. Okay. Ready?
What is it, Mom?
Hala. Mauna ni siya. Huma naman ang snow, diba? Ako ning gipalit para sa snow. Karon pa ni abot. Ay, Ginoo. Hala, nipis naman siya,
What is it?
Ay, nako. Dayon. Saan na siya, Saan ba ni? Wala, nalimot na ko. Where is it? Kuya, can you give the blankie? So, nadiha, sa lingkuranan. Char! Hala. Saan ba ni? Pastilanan! Dayon, nagpalit di ay ko, Sa doon, katubang i-vacuum sa ba. Para sa mga dagkong gamit kay, ay nako. There you go. Oh, sure. Hala, ang kulang ani. Bumba. Next. Kani.
Are those my Jordans?
Madugangan ng height.
Who sent you it, or did you buy it?
Yeah, I bought it. Of course.
Nobody else knew.
Well, I'll grow more.
Try one on. I want to try one on.
Dayon.
Try one on.
How tall are you right now? It will add like 3 inches. Alimot naman ko guys, nga nagpalit like ko ani. Isa na pugka ni nga sa nini.
These shoes are. Rating on the shoes, it's like a.
Boat.
It's like a 5 out of 10. Not bad, but not good.
What an excellent story. You have a wonderful imagination. Pretending to snuggle.
Pakulog!
Is Potato the snuggly you always wanted?
Ay, ginoko gyatay.
But I didn't bring her.
Ano siya?
These fit alright.
I left potato with my
Naghanaputang basura. Basura goes to... This is trash.
He's got like a whole inch to your height. Oh my goodness.
Nadugangan ni mong height. Dayon.
I can't believe it.
Wala pa ta sa exciting part, ha? Wala pa sa exciting part.
I'll go with you.
Uh-huh.
Let us shoot. Are you excited to have a snuggle with potato?
So, hold on.
I want her to go without her.
Mahilig siya po sa sweatering na yung mga like an ani o Tweety Bird. Pata sa exciting part. Kani exciting part. malambot lang. I think it's not that very thick like what I expected. So we shall see.
This hurts my big toe, for real.
It's not that.
Are your feet this short?
It's not so thick.
Snuggly toys bubbled after Tom's chocolate.
Taas siya.
She certainly has. Next one, little assist. Time to celebrate.
You know, you can snuggle Potato for longer if you need to, Totsy Tot. Oh, now that your tooth is pushed through, your gums aren't so hurty? Thank you, Tot.
Patay, mao na ni Ron.
What was that, Tot? Say it again for me, Totsy Tot.
The heck? Oh, kabalo. The heck?
And you said your first word. I said thank you, and you said it to me.
Okay.
Look, Potato, I got a certificate today
Love
from
it.
Mrs. Wood.
So,
These shoes are smaller than Pluto. They're literally smaller than Pluto.
Help me! Help me!
kaya ba?
I'm glad you came to talk today, Potato. I missed you. I'm not ready to leave you alone all the time.
Oh, just dance.
How long does this zip take?
Kung ganda ha, I think it makes me fat.
Yes, it does, Mom.
Ha?
What?
Ay.
Potato, it's my
So, atong suoton ang 3 inches na sapatos. Sapatos ni Madam Auring. Oh, nadugangan ng height. Na, diba? Oh. Taas na, nadugangan.
Let's show me after school.
Kakita ka sa differ.
On my knee.
Okay, Hawk, we'll pretend this is the rainbow jumpsuit I made. It's ready tomorrow.
So, hold on.
Amazing tip.
Ang sa, ha?
And a run pup. They have a very special
Gabi kay.
to carry down the aisle.
So,
My brother's bud is one too.
what happened? What happened? Oh, it's pretty! Yeah, it's pretty. So that's it, and done unboxing my package.